Today in this video I am about to show you guys how to make transaction on xempire. So first of all, open up your Telegram app, and once your Telegram app is open, here you can see the xempire app. Just simply tap on it, and now you have to tap on play option, and here you can see the xempire app is start loading. Here you can see, and once the app is loaded, here you can see the connect wallet option. So first of all, connect your wallet to Telegram or other any wallet. I simply joined this through Telegram, and here you can see the connect option. Just simply tap on it, and for now here you can see the connect app is connected. So simply go back to the xempire, and now here you can see the our projects. So for currently there is no projects and any other things, because the airdrop is launched recently. So that's how you can do it. See you in the next video very soon.